This is Ike Ledesma, and I'm your Vice President of Student Services at Doña Ana Community College. In preparation for the fall 2020 semester, we are taking all the measures we can to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. What does this mean for you as a student? It means that DACC will be teaching your classes differently this fall and maybe the spring semester. Classes for the fall 2020 semester will be taught in three different formats. The formats we'll be using to teach all classes are synchronous, hybrid, or asynchronous. Synchronous classes are still taught at specified days and times, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 8 a.m. to 8:50 a.m. The main difference is that it's taught using an online meeting platform like Zoom or Microsoft Teams. In order to see the class schedule for this fall, go to accounts.nmsu.edu/catalog. Once you access the class schedule, select a campus. After you select a campus, you will see the term 2020 Fall. You can then search for the class you want under Select a Subject/Major. For the purposes of this video, I am selecting Biology. After selecting for Biology, it will show all the biology classes offered this fall. It will show if it's open or closed, the CRN or course registration number, and other information. To see how the class is going to be taught, look at days, time, building, and room. This particular Biology 101 G class is being taught on Mondays from 9:45 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. The building and room will both tell you that it's being taught online. This would be an example of a synchronous class. If you click on the notepad icon, it will show a note for the class giving you additional details about the class. Our second method are hybrid classes. Hybrid classes are taught online and in person. Going back to the class schedule, you can see that these dental hygiene courses are being taught online, but the lab portion is going to be taught face to face. When you click on the notepad icon, it will bring up a box that provides you details about how the course will be taught this fall semester. This is an example of a hybrid class. Our third format are asynchronous classes, which are taught in our traditional online format. For example, these accounting classes have no specified days or times because it's being strictly taught online. There may be a few class schedule changes before the fall semester begins, but you can always check how your classes are going to be taught by checking the class schedule. As you start or continue your educational journey at DACC, the most important thing to remember is that the faculty and staff of DACC are always here to support you. Have a great semester.